Yeah, he started waking up.
Did you get any of it? Are you like pushing the air out of him?
He's laying on his back.
Are you close now?